Good morning. This is Japanese Economic Review Channel. Today we analyze the market outlook for June 8 to 12, 2026. The Nikkei has reached a historic 68,000, heavily driven by AI FOMO. We project the Nikkei between 63,500 and 69,500 Japanese yen and USD JPY at 157.60 to 162.00. We will explore the macro trends and key catalysts shaping this pivotal week. Three major themes dominate. First, equity exuberance and its vulnerability to the upcoming SpaceX IPO liquidity drain. Second, monetary crosswinds, with the BOJ discussing rate hikes versus the Fed's current stance. Third, USD JPY hovering at the 160 threshold, balancing geopolitical tensions and intervention risks. The Nikkei faces strong crosscurrents. Relentless AI FOMO buying is a tailwind, though Broadcom's recent guidance introduced some friction. A major headwind is the June 12th major SQ, which may bring near-term turbulence. Note that a sudden US-Iran peace deal could cause a spike, creating a temporary market top. The SpaceX IPO on June 12th is a massive liquidity event. Investors may liquidate existing tech holdings to source capital. Furthermore, if early NASDAQ 100 inclusion occurs, secondary passive index demand will lock up capital permanently, creating structural headwinds for legacy tech components. Looking to next week, the BOJ shows a hawkish shift under Governor Ueda, actively discussing rate hikes due to inflation risks. Conversely, the FOMC under new Chair Warsh is cautiously restrictive. Rate cuts are priced out, but a sudden hike remains unlikely, despite a resilient U.S. labor market. USD JPY remains trapped near 160. Geopolitical premiums from US-Iran tensions and trade deficit fears push the pair higher. However, intervention fears and the 162.00 psychological ceiling cap the upside. Support sits at 157.60. A sudden US-Iran peace accord could immediately halt any upward spikes. This week's heat map highlights critical catalysts. Watch the US CPI and PPI midweek for inflation clues. Friday is the climax, featuring Japan's major SQ expiration and the highly anticipated SpaceX mega IPO. These events will heavily dictate market flows ahead of next week's central bank actions. Thank you for watching the Japanese Economic Review. We look forward to having you with us again.